Good morning. Happy Thanksgiving to a lot of you. I bet you it's snowing right now, but I'm shooting this video a day early.
Happy Thanksgiving, Tommy.
They said I should strap a GoPro to you.
Come here. You guys love all the random animals in the background of every video. Okay, everybody out. Everybody out. Out.
It's actually gotten to the point where I've cut around him in some videos because he's making just too much noise. He's usually pretty quiet unless I'm out here doing something. Then he makes noise.
Usually I just feel like king of the chickens out here.
We've got rain in the forecast here, but I know what that means. The shop is located pretty far west here. We're kind of like right at the bottom of the foothills. So if there's rain in the forecast around this time of the year, it could be snow. And last time it was snow. In fact, while you're watching this video, it's probably snowing out here at the Six's Backcountry Shop. I get some stuff moved around the yard because it's now getting to the point of I either get it done now or I get it done 7 months from now. We're having a good time today.
Freaking jerks. I thought you were maybe bringing the other bike today. Because there's one more, right?
Yeah, no, that one doesn't have, I gotta still figure out the signal lights. I spent a bunch of time thinking about it last night. And I'm not 100% sure where I'm at.
And today we're doing brakes.
We're doing brakes on the old 79.
Speaking of nightmare electrical projects on a bike, you guys got all excited. I've been getting Facebook messages saying, oh, Matt sold the bike, leaving comments saying Matt sold the bike. And you probably noticed that we drive by it a little bit earlier here in the video, but no, Matt didn't sold the bike. Well, the story with this bike is that it came with the property, and my whole thought process was, hey, you know what would be fun? If we traded this bike and we just kept trading up until we get something cool. I've seen other YouTubers do it before. I know it can be done. It's an old Midwest, like kind of Chinese brand dirt bike. Everybody I talk to tells me it's a different CC. I don't know anything about it. We did put the booster cables on it, and we did get the bike to turn over one video there. Silly me. I thought it would be a fun idea to do a trade up on this bike. But the things people have been offering on this thing are it's just ridiculous. I did get a few interesting offers. One is about like a mod sled type thing, one project type thing. But as far as this thing goes for like a trade up type deal, I think we should take it into the shop one day and at least see if we can get it running. Because right now the Midwest dirt bike that doesn't run isn't like, it's not a hot item on the marketplace. Unless you're a kid who wants to give me an Xbox. So here's what I mean. The mess of wires, the no ignition, no way we got spark on this thing right now. I think everything is there on this bike to make it run. We got fuel tank, we got carb. Looks like the ignition system is mostly there besides the mess of the wiring. So I think what we'll do one day here is we'll take this bike into the shop and then we will look at it there. Maybe get it running, get it to fire at least. Maybe if it runs or fires at least, it makes it a little bit more desirable of a trade-up, but I've had this thing on the marketplace for about a month now, and there was no real good, interesting offers. If we could not spend any money on this thing at all, but also make it run, that's where I want to be. That's where I want to be for the trade-up bike. I got probably 100 or more replies on that thing there.
How are you doing?
I think I'm getting it.
I think we're going to bring that thing into the shop anyway, though.
I'm laughing at my bike. I'm gonna make somebody want this thing.
Yeah, when Dad's here, we're not a snowmobile shop. We're a motorcycle shop. He's got so many of these Honda bikes everywhere. He'll show up and I'll be like, I don't even know which one this one is. I didn't hear anything out of the ordinary there.
Not coming down the hill. It's on acceleration.
You can hear an exhaust leak.
Oh yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah, she's really popping on acceleration. After that, it all goes quiet.
Okay, I can't hear it from here. It's
No.
you can you hear it on the bike.
Yeah, no, that's over the hill you'd be able to hear.
Oh, I'm not used to riding these big bikes.
Fun with that.
This thing's a giant. Here we got on. This thing's huge, man.
Should be in gear, neutral.
There we go. Yeah, we got a horn here. That's good. Start and stop. See if we can get this thing backed up. Holy. Yeah, that's making some noise. Bam, bam. Oh yeah.
But I can't hear here.
Oh, I hear it on here.
Yeah.
So to me, sitting on it, it sounds like it's coming out like right from the bottom, but it sounds more on the right side to me.
Okay, fair enough.
Yeah.
I don't know.
But
okay.
That's what it sounded like.
That makes sense.
That's what it sounded like to me anyway.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I can dig it.
Ready to park this thing? You done with it?
I'm done with it.
All
I
right.
got another one to ride.
All right. We got bikes everywhere here.
Put a charger on
Oh, that's heavy. Yeah, perfect. See ya. I think I'm gonna stop saying what we're gonna do next video now. Well, screw it. I guess it's gonna be bike day then. Only the legends of Six's Backcountry are gonna remember these babies. Bring over the stretcher though. I don't remember the exact story on these things, but these are Ben's, and they have been sitting in covered storage with us here for the last, many years. It's been many years since these have been picked out. I actually kind of forgot how good a shape these things are in. They've been sitting covered for so long, and I don't really remember what they were like when we picked them up. Then this one is a parts bike for one of those. I'll have to talk to Ben. We'll talk to Ben on these. I know he wants them running, and man, I'm not going to lie. They've been neglected. They've been sitting in storage, but they're still here. There's always been a lack of space here at Six's Backcountry, but the story is different now. We're going to need to get that cold storage building figured out because we're starting to run out of space in here. How many units do we have in here? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I don't care. I'm counting it. 11, 12, 13. Looking pretty good for everything getting inside here for the end of the day when the snow shows up. I had a couple questions about my heater. It's getting late enough in the day now that we can actually even fire it up. Last video, I was up there cleaning, getting the shop heat all worked out, and I had a few questions on it. I didn't set up any of this. I was just cleaning it and making sure it was safe for the winter, but I can show you how it works. So it is a natural gas heater. I have my gas line coming up in to there for it. And then the heater is just plugged into regular, like 120 volt power up there. The air inlet is this pipe right here, and it comes out of this side of the building. I guess the air intake is just behind that freaking board. I don't know. And then it comes into the shop here and gets fed into the heating unit. And then it all ignites up in there, and you'll be able to see a little bit of flame coming through that little bit of sight window there. Then from there, it goes into the section that's hooded. I got like I don't know, it's like 25, 30 feet of hooded pipe here, and then a section that goes out. And then I just gotta walk through my storefront here. And then the exhaust just kicks it out right there, right over the bay door. Then to control it is just like a regular thermostat. You kind of listen for it. You can hear it kick on. You can hear the blower kick on first. And then after about a minute or so, the heat will kick up. Then it's like, it's pretty warm here. And then as you progressively move down the hood, the radiant heat coming off of it down here is significantly less, and you don't really feel anything by the time you get to that part of the exhaust. Here, I'll show you what's up there, and then you can pause the video or whatever, and you can grab the information. I haven't gotten the chance to really test that thing out in the cold yet. I mean, we've only just moved in here, so I haven't really put it through its paces. I'm gonna shut it off for now though. This place is full of air leaks. There's a bunch of air leaks and a bunch of like insulating for all those like little individual doggy doors that are everywhere that need to be insulated up. So honestly, this whole place has been one big air leak. All right, I think the snow is right behind me here. That's it. I'm gonna wrap up this video here. I think I beat it. Oh yeah, it's definitely getting cold out. Thanks everybody for watching. Tons more videos coming down. Tons more videos just like this one. Go check it out. Locked myself out of my truck, and we're gonna continue on with the shop vlogs and lots of other exciting stuff coming up too. So thanks everybody for watching today's video. See you in the next one real soon. Happy Thanksgiving to you.